In this video, we are going to cover the questions of exercise 8.3. These are the 6 formulas that are being used in this exercise. First is sine 90 degree minus theta, that will be converted to cos theta. Tan 90 degree minus theta, that will be converted to cot theta. Cosecant 90 degree minus theta is equal to secant theta. Cos 90 degree minus theta is sin theta. Cot 90 degree minus theta is tan theta, and secant 90 degree minus theta is cosecant theta. Now we will use these formulas to solve the questions of exercise 8.3. First question is, we have to evaluate sin 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. Now the problem is, we do not know the value of sin 18 degree or cos 72 degree. So we will convert, trick here is, we will convert sin 18 degree to cos theta, means the value of theta can be any according to the formula, or cos 70 degree to sin theta. Okay, here I am converting sin 18 degree to cos theta. Another form of writing sin 18 degree is, we can write it as sin 90 degree minus 72 degree, because 90 minus 70 is equal to 18. So I can write here as sin 90 degree minus 72 degree. Now as we know, according to first formula, sin 90 degree minus theta, where the value of theta can be any, that is equal to cos theta. That means sin 90 degree minus 72 degrees, that will be equal to cos 72 degrees. So sin 90 degree, sin 18 degree upon cos 72 degree can be written as sin 90 degree minus 72 degrees upon cos 72 degrees as it is. Sin 90 degree minus theta is cos theta, that is cos theta. Cos 72 upon cos 72 is 1. So this is the answer of the first question. Now B part of first question is tan 26 degree upon cot 64 degrees. It is based on the same line. We have to convert tan or cot into respective their trigonometric ratio according to these formulas. So I am converting tan to cot. Tan 26 degree, it can be written as 90 degree minus 64 degrees, that will be equal to 26 degrees. Tan 90 degree minus theta is cos theta, then cot 64 upon cot 64 is equal to 1. I hope you will get it. Now the third part is cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degrees. This is also based on the same line, because we do not know the value of cos 48 degree or sin 42 degree. Cos 48 degree can be written as sin 90 degree minus 42 degrees, minus sin 42 degrees is written as it is. Now cos 90 degree minus theta is sin theta, sin 42 degree minus sin 42 degree is 0. You can use a trick here, like you have to calculate that to write 48 degree, which number should be subtracted from the 90. Then you can directly subtract 48 from 90. You will get 42 here. Okay, or any number which is given in the question. Now D part is cosecant 31 degree minus secant 59 degree. Similarly convert cosecant 31 degree to cosecant 90 minus the respective number, that is 59. Cos 90 degree minus cosecant 90 degree minus theta is secant theta. Secant 59 minus secant 59 will be 0. Okay. Now next part is, show that tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree is 1. We have to show this question. Now trick is, convert tan theta to 1 by cot theta so that we can solve it. I know that tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta, or cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Now we are given this question. I am taking left hand side, tan 48, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67. I am converting any two values of tan, that is first and second. Tan 48 I can write it as tan 90 minus 42. Tan 23 I can write as tan 90 minus 67. Now tan 90 degree minus theta is cos theta. Tan 90 degree minus theta is cot theta. Other is written as it is. Now cot 42 I can write as cot 42 as 1 by tan 42, cos cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Cot 67 degree as 1 by tan 67. Now 1 by tan 42 and tan 42 will get cancelled out with each other. 1 by tan 67 and tan 67 will be gets cancelled out by each other. Answer will be 1, which is equal to right hand side. That's why it is proved. Hence it is proved. Now second part of question second. Cos 38 degree, cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degrees, sin 52 degrees is equal to 0. Convert any two values into the respective trigonometric ratio. You can convert cos or sin any one. Now cos 38 degree I convert cos to sin. Cos 38 degree is cos 90 minus 52. Cos 52 is cos 90 minus 38. Rest is written as it is. Minus sin 38 sin 52. Sin 90 degree minus theta is cos 90 degree minus theta is sin theta, that is sin 52. Cos 90 degree minus theta is again sin theta, that is sin 38. Now sin 52 into sin 38 minus sin 38 into sin 52 will get minus, and the answer will be 0, that is equal to right hand side, and hence this again is proved. Okay. Now third question is, if tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree, we are given that if tan 2a is cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is any acute angle, we have to find a. Now given tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree, I can write it as cot 90 degree minus 2a. You can learn it like this, that cot 90 degree minus theta is tan theta. We just reverse the formula. Okay. Cot 90 degree minus theta is tan theta. Even I have write here as tan theta is equal to cot 90 degree minus theta. Right hand side is written as it is. Now cot gets cancelled out with this cot, and 90 degree minus 2a is equal to a minus 18 degree. 90 degree here on left hand side, on moving left hand side, 18 will get positive and 2a will get positive sign. 90 plus 18 is 108 degrees. A plus 3 is 4a. Then the value of a will be 36 degrees. Okay. Question 5th is same as this question. So you have to do it by yourself. Now question 4th is, if tan A is equal to cot B, we have to prove A plus B is equal to 90 degree. We will move on the same line as in this question. I will write tan A as cot 90 degree minus A is equal to cot B. Cot will get cancelled out. 90 degree minus A is equal to B. On moving on the right hand side, A will get positive sign. A plus B is equal to 90 degree, and hence proved. Okay. Question 5th is same as this. Now question 6th. If A, B and C are interior angles of any triangle ABC, we have to show that sine B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Now it is given that we have a triangle ABC, and we know all the angles of any triangle, the sum of all the angles of any triangle is equal to 180 degree, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, then I am shifting here the angle A. When I will shift angle A from left hand side to right hand side, it will get negative sign. That means equation will become angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree minus angle A. Now we have to divide both this equation by 2, both the left hand side and right hand side. Angle B plus C by 2, angle 180 degree minus angle A by 2. Now angle B plus C by 2 is written as it is. 180 degree is divided by 2, that is 90 minus angle A by 2. Now we have to multiply this equation by sine. That means here it becomes sine angle B plus C by 2, sine 90 degree minus A by 2. Sine angle B plus C by 2 is equal to sine 90 degree minus theta is cos theta. Only this will be written here. Cos a by 2, which we have to prove. Okay, sin 90 degree minus theta will be cos theta only. Last question, 7th question is express sin 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios between 0 degree to 45 degree. We have to represent these two, sin 67 degree and cos 75 degree, in any trigonometric ratio, but the value should be between 0 degree to 45 degrees. Very simple question. Sin 67 degree is written as sin 90 degree minus 23. Cos 75 degree is written as cos 90 degree minus 15 degree. Now sin 90 degree minus theta is cos theta, plus cos 90 degree minus theta is sin theta. That means cos 23 degree plus sin 15 degrees. Both the values are between 0 to 45 degrees. This was all about the questions of exercise 8.3. I hope you will get it.